Hi, I hope everybody is doing well today. So my name is Angrid and today's video is about Pycnogenol. It's a unique antioxidant. I'm going to be giving you a 101, everything you need to know. Where does it originate from? What are the benefits? Who can use it? What's the texture? How to use it, etc, etc. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So a quick intro about me. My name is Angrid. I've been in the skincare beauty industry for 30 years, working in it in real life. So if you would like skincare advice from somebody who is certified and, as they say in America, licensed, and you love the content, please like and subscribe. So first of all, let's talk about the origin of Pycnogenol. So it is derived from the pine bark of the French maritime pine tree. I'm going to cover how this is beneficial first of all for everybody, and later on at the end I will talk about why it's very beneficial for menopause and more mature skin. So antioxidants, as you probably heard 1,000 times before, now it's 1,001. So what do they do? Well, antioxidants are extremely important for anti-aging skincare. They protect your skin from environmental stressors such as tobacco smoke, pollution, UV radiation, everyday oxidative stress. So this protects the skin from environmental stressors before they can damage the skin. Two main targets of Pycnogenol is it's extremely hydrating for the skin, and it actually nourishes the skin from inside out. Also, it promotes the elasticity of the skin. So Pycnogenol is very rich in Procyanidins and also bioflavonoids, another tongue twisters, I'll write them on the screen, and also organic compounds, and they work together to rejuvenate the skin, enhancing hydration and maintaining that hydration. Also elasticity, nourishing the skin from the inside out. So the great news is all skin types can use Pycnogenol. In a way, the antioxidant family, this reminds me of the facial oil family of rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is the same. Every skin type can benefit from rosehip seed oil. This is my favourite oil. I do have a video on this too, just so you know. But back to Pycnogenol. So really dry skin is really going to benefit from Pycnogenol because one of its main aims is hydration. Also, skin that is very sensitive, skin that's inflammatory skin conditions such as rosacea, because it actually reduces redness in the skin. So all types can benefit from this unique antioxidant. When and how do you use Pycnogenol? So it's an anhydrous solution, which means it's water and oil free. So you actually apply that after your water-based serums and before your oils and creams. You only need to use 2 drops, you do not need to use much at all, and you can use it morning or evening. I prefer to use mine in the evening time because the skin regenerates better in the evening. Also, let's talk about what does it conflict with. The only conflict that you cannot use Pycnogenol with is the buffet and copper peptides. Now let's talk about the texture and the colour of this beautiful antioxidant. So as you can see here, it says gorgeous red orange colour. You only need to use 2 drops on your skin, and just the same as rosehip seed oil, actually it absorbs really nicely into the skin. It only feels oily at the beginning and then it dries down. So let's talk more about the targets and the benefits of Pycnogenol for the skin. So it actually helps the skin produce hyaluronic acid, so it's and then it maintains that level of hydration for the skin, so that's why it's excellent and very beneficial for dry skin conditions. It reduces redness, as I said before, so it's really good for inflammatory skin conditions such as rosacea. It rejuvenates the skin, so it gives us a nice radiance and glow. It has the ability to bind to collagen and elastin, so it protects these proteins from further degradation. It nourishes the skin from inside out. It scavenges for free radicals before they can cause damage to the skin. It has the ability to recycle oxidized vitamin C back to its activity. So as you can see, many benefits with this unique underhyped antioxidant. For me, this is the number one, definitely in my skincare routine. So let's talk about the packaging and the storage of Pycnogenol, 5% from the Ordinary. So it comes in a 15ml size, it comes in an amber bottle with a dropper format, and you only need to use 2 drops of this oil, and the reason it comes in this bottle here, an amber bottle, is to protect it from sunlight. So make sure you store this in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. And this costs $10, an absolute bargain for an extremely potent antioxidant. So now I wanted to say especially why this is extremely beneficial for menopause skincare. Now, I'm not talking about perimenopause, pro-menopause, I'm just talking about menopause in general, because it's a taboo subject, but we all have the same issues. Because what happens is, oh yes, it causes many issues, menopause, right? You have to experience it to know it. Now, I'm a couple of years into that now. I am 52, so you know. So that's why this skincare channel is really aimed at over 40, over 50 for sure. But let me get back to the subject, what I want you to know. So, for example, my skin, so you can relate, is been oily all my life. Now, past 2 years into menopause, it's actually, I would term now as combination. I can feel the sebum production has definitely decreased a lot, right? So in general, what I'm trying to get to is, in menopause skin, your skin becomes drier, number one. Number two, the collagen and elastin decreases rapidly when you hit menopause. So elastin, that's what keeps our skin, you know, firm. So then that's why you all of a sudden get sagging in the skin, so saggy gels, etc, etc. So this is a must for menopausal skin, because, as I say, the main targets are hydration and elasticity, and that's definitely what we need in menopausal skin, because 9 times out of 10 your skin's getting drier. The collagen and elastin decreases, and the estrogen decreases, and that's is a domino effect for your skin. So this is why, in my opinion, this is the number one antioxidant for aging menopause skin. It's absolutely fabulous. I mean, I've been using this, I would say, for 3 weeks. You cannot judge a skincare product really at that time. It takes consistency. I would say after a couple of months, I would see better the results. But what I'm seeing so far, I really like. And because my skin, very odd for me when I've been oily all my life, has became drier, put it that way. So yes, very beneficial for menopausal. So for all skin types, fabulous antioxidant, number one for me, but definitely for menopausal skin, because we have all them issues that this antioxidant addresses. We need the collagen and elastin production. It fights hyperpigmentation too. It also reduces redness, because also the skin becomes more sensitive also in menopause in general. So let me know in the comments if you have actually used this antioxidant and what's your opinion of it. Did you like it or did you not like it? And I meant to say, there is a slight fragrance with this antioxidant. It's a totally natural fragrance, but what it reminds me of, let me just see. It's hard to describe the fragrance, but it actually reminds me of a sort of light herbal smell with a bit of cherries. I actually love the fragrance, to be honest with you. Fragrance doesn't bother me, and if it's a natural fragrance, please don't listen to fearmongers. If it's a natural fragrance, it is beneficial and it is there for a reason. If you did want to see me using the Pycnogenol, you can look at the video I did last week, which was for the lactic acid 10% plus HA. I did a routine there because that's an exfoliant, and I used the Pycnogenol in that routine. So anyway, let me know in the comments what you think, and until the next time, I'll say adios and check you later. Bye.